There is a pricing crisis happening in the pool service industry right now, and most operators are caught right in the middle of it without even realizing it. Here's what I've watched happen over the last several years. More and more people are entering this space, and as more operators are flooding the market, especially newer ones trying to compete for customers, prices have naturally been driven down. Meanwhile, at the same time, every single cost in this business has gone in the opposite direction. Gas is more expensive, insurance is more expensive, chemicals, labors, you name it, everything is more expensive. The cost to run a pool service business in 2026 is significantly higher than it was 5 years ago. So in essence here, you have costs going up and prices going down. And the operators who are not paying attention to this dynamic are slowly drifting towards even numbers without even making a conscious decision. That in itself is the crisis. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 specific pricing moves that's going to fix it that most of your competitors are not making. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Gianluca. I built Tiger Shark pools in Las Vegas to multiple 7 figures in revenue. And today, I also co-own RouteCloud, an online pool route brokerage where I get to talk to pool service operators all over the country. I see their numbers, I see their pricing, and what I see consistently is operators leaving significant money on the table every single month from 3 specific things that they're either undercharging for or not even charging for at all. Let's fix that now. Now, first, let's talk about why this is happening. But before I get into the 3 secrets, I want to make sure you understand why pricing compression happens in the industry specifically. Because understanding the cause here is what keeps you from falling into the trap. When new operators enter the pool service market, the most common way to try to compete with the others is on price. They essentially end up trying to undercut established operators to win over new accounts. They charge $95 a month when the market rate is actually $150 because they think that volume will make up for margin. But here's the truth, it never does. But in the short term, it works well enough that they just keep doing it. And what happens to the operators who've been in the market for years? They see a competitor charging $95 and they start questioning whether their $150 rate is just too high. Some of them lower their prices to compete, and the floor ends up dropping again. That is the race to the bottom, and the only way to opt out of it is to understand your numbers clearly enough that you know with certainty what your service is actually worth. And most importantly, to have the confidence to charge for it regardless of what the guy undercutting you is doing. The operators who win in this environment over and over again are not the ones competing on price. They are the ones who are out there competing on value and charging accordingly. That is what these 3 secrets are all about. Now, real quick, guys, before I keep going, I wanted to make sure you knew about something. The Pool Service Academy is our free community on School, and it's where we give away everything. We've spent hundreds of hours documenting the strategies we use to grow to millions of dollars per year. Inside of the community, we do weekly calls where we go deep on what's actually working, monthly webinars on overcoming everyday hurdles in the business, and a community of pool service pros at every stage in the business, sharing real strategies, real numbers, and real industry trends with each other. Every guru out there is charging thousands or at a bare minimum a monthly subscription for access to this type of information. We built the Pool Service Academy with the intent to help pool service pros at every stage in the business grow, scale, and optimize their business. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. It's completely free. Now back to the video. Now, without further ado, let's get into it, starting with secret number 1, which is to charge what your service is actually worth. So let's start with our foundation here, your monthly service rate. In Las Vegas, one of the most competitive pool service markets in the country, a good rate for weekly residential pool service ranges from about $150 to $180 per month for your standard cookie cutter pool. Now, here's what I get to see constantly through RouteCloud. In a market where the $150 is the floor for quality service. And when I ask them why, the answer is almost always the same. They were scared to charge for more. They thought they would lose accounts. They priced themselves where they thought the customer would say yes, rather than where the business needed to be for it to actually make sense. Now, here's the math on why this matters more than most operators realize. The difference between $120 a month and $150 a month is essentially $30. On 80 accounts, that's $2,400 a month or $28,000 at the end of the year. And all of this is from the same 80 accounts doing the same work, just priced correctly. And that extra $30, for the most part, is your entire profit margin. Charging $120 isn't just charging $30 less. It can literally be the definition of servicing a pool for free come the end of the month. That extra almost $30,000 is the salary of your first tech. That is your marketing budget. That is the margin that lets you grow instead of just survive every month. Now, your market's going to be different from Vegas, but the principle applies everywhere here. Know what your market rate is specific to your area. Call your competitors, check Google and Nextdoor for pricing conversations. Talk to your local pool supply store, and then price at or above the midpoint, not at the bottom. And here's the thing about raising rates that every operator who has done will tell you. The accounts you lose over a rate increase are almost always the accounts you are least sorry to lose. The price-sensitive customers here get to churn out. The good customers will stay, and your business gets healthier on the other side of every rate increase that you have the courage to make. Secret number 2, charge for filter cleans and salt cell cleans every single time. This is the one that makes me cringe every time I see it, and I see it so often. Quarterly filter cleans and salt cell cleans included in the monthly service rate for free. They essentially bundled it into the service rate like it cost them nothing, but the truth is that they don't cost nothing. They cost your time, they cost your labor, and they cost something in chems as well. And they are among the highest margin services in your entire business. Let me give you the Las Vegas numbers here just for the sake of an example. A filter clean in this market runs anywhere from $75 to $150 depending on the filter type and size. And a salt cell clean runs similarly. $50 to $75 is really the standard range. These services in total take 20 to 30 minutes each. The labor cost is minimal and the margin is exceptional. Now here's the math on what giving these away is actually costing you. Let's say you have 80 accounts. Quarterly filter cleans, that's 320 filter cleans a year that you are performing. At $100 a clean, that is $32,000 in annual revenue that you are essentially just giving away. $32,000 from one service that you are already doing that your customer even expects to pay for when it's presented correctly. Now add salt cell cleans on accounts that have salt systems, let's say 50 of your 80 accounts, twice a year at $50 each, that's another few $1,000s annually. They are both high margin revenue you are potentially leaving on the table from two services that most operators are either not charging for or seriously undercharging for. And another crazy thing here about this is that I truly believe homeowners in general expect to pay for these things, but a lot of you operators are just offering it for free as a way to gain new business. Now, I want to make something pretty clear here. I am not suggesting by any means that you go out and tell all of your customers now that they get to pay for filter cleans if they aren't doing that at the moment. I think that would be a surefire way to lose a bunch of them. What I am suggesting though is that you make this pivot moving forward, and over time your route will fill up with customers that pay you for both services like clockwork. And secret number 3 here, add a flat chemical fee for any extra usage throughout the year. And this is the one that most operators have never even really considered, and it is the one that protects your margin most directly against rising chemical costs. Now here's a situation most pool service operators are in right now. They charge a flat monthly rate that is supposed to cover all of their chemical costs, and for a well-balanced pool in normal conditions, it typically does. But not every pool's well-balanced. Not every pool's in normal conditions. Pools that get heavy use in the summer months burn through chlorine at a dramatically higher rate. Pools that are recovering from algae issues require shock treatments and extra chemical loads. Pools that have been neglected by a homeowner or previous service provider often need significant chemical intervention to get back to a healthy baseline. When those situations happen, and they happen constantly, the operator typically absorbs the cost. The chemicals go in, the monthly rate stays the same, and the margin on that account evaporates for the month. Now the fix here is simple and doesn't need to be overcomplicated. Add a flat chemical surcharge a couple times per year to cover any excess or specialty chems you needed to dump into the pool over the previous months. Now we at Tiger Shark used a biannual charge of $80, and this covered us in the case we had to throw in extra shock treatments or algicide or phosphate removers. Anything really beyond the routine weekly maintenance chemicals. Now, like I said, this does not need to be complicated. You are not asking the customer to track chemical usage or even understand their pool chemistry. You are simply communicating that routine service includes standard chemical maintenance, but sometimes pools need a little extra love, and you need to make sure that you have the budget to care for them. Put it in your service agreement upfront, communicate it clearly when you onboard a new customer. Transparency here is going to eliminate complaints before they happen. Let me put it all together for you with a real-world example so you can see what implementing all 3 of these secrets actually means for your business. For the sake of an example, we're going to talk about 80 accounts that are currently priced at $120 a month. Secret number 1. Let's raise the monthly rate to $150. That is $30 more per account, $2,400 a month, or almost $30,000 a year. Secret number 2, add quarterly filter cleans at $100 each, which brings in an additional $32,000 a year. And secret number 3, add a flat $60 chemical surcharge billed biannually for each customer to cover any extra chemical intervention. That in itself translates to an additional $9,600 per year. Total additional revenue from 3 pricing changes on the same 80 accounts doing the same work, over 70 grand. And that wasn't from new customers, that wasn't from more marketing, that wasn't from working more hours. It was simply from pricing your existing business correctly. Now, in summary, here's the bottom line. The pool service operators who are going to struggle in 2026 and beyond are the ones who keep letting market pressures drive their prices down while the cost of things are going to keep going up. The math is only going to end up one way. The operators who are going to build something real are the ones who know their numbers, charge what their service is worth, and bill for every high-value service they perform, and protect their margin against rising costs with clear contractual terms. These are not complicated changes, guys. They just require the confidence to charge what your business actually needs to survive and grow. And if you want to work through your pricing with other operators who are building profitable routes, join the Pool Service Academy on School. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.